I've been blessed to know a lot of very interesting people in my life. I haven't done a lot, but I guess enough, you know. But they've all been special. A few years ago, I was introduced to this gentleman, and I'm going to talk about through the Persuasions. We were invited to a place called the Fur Peace Ranch, which is run by Jorma Kaukonen from Jefferson Airplane and Hatuna. He's in the Rolling Stones list of one of the best guitar players on the planet. I think he's number 51, but his friends say he should be a lot higher than that number, and I agree, because the way he plays that, you gotta hear him. So I was invited with a Persuasion to be vocal instructors at Fur Peace Ranch. It's a retreat in Pomeroy, Ohio. And when you go to this place, right, there are no strangers. Nobody has any put on, no airs or nothing. And you walk away with a lifelong friendship. Right there is one of my lifelong buddies I met years ago at Fur Peace Ranch, Leslie. I call her Lady L because I never could pronounce her name properly. And I go Leslie, she goes Leslie. And I probably still said it wrong. So I just stopped trying. I just say Lady L. That's Lady L. So Jorma and I went back several times after on my own teaching, but I always wanted to write a song with Jorma because of his sound. So I said, Jorma, he introduced me to one of his songs first, and we sang it together. And I said, Jorma, I want to write a song with you. He said, okay, sure. So I wrote a song based on the sound of his guitar playing in my head. And I said, Jorma, I got the song. He recorded with me. So 2 years go by. I got a call last year. Hey, Dave, I'm going to come to New York. I'm going to record a song with you now because I know I promised, and it's time to get it done. So he came to New York City. We recorded at our guitar player, Arnie Brown, as a studio in Howard, New Jersey called the Jam Room. And it's his recording studio, 24 track, and that's where we recorded. Is the picture up? You can see me and Jorma in that picture. Is it up on the wall? It is now? No. It's not there? Yeah, but there's a picture of me and Jorma in this control room. The way I recorded the song was I didn't want anybody in the room. That's it? I didn't want anybody in the room except me and Jorma because it was a very personal moment, okay? And we ran it down once and we did it. Well, Jorma can't be here because he's touring. But I found this gentleman here who has Jorma's vibe about him. Very calm, just a cool, calm confidence. And he ought to be because he's had quite a track record. Worked with Celine Dion, Simon and Garfunkel, he toured with him. And he was a guitar player in the wonderful musical you probably saw called Ain't Too Proud. He was a guitar player. Ain't Too Proud to play. Larry Saltzman. So, I'll let you make up your mind what this song means to you. I'm not going to tell you what it means to me. See if it means something to you. I need to wake up with my dreams firmly in my hand. And I won't lose them all to someone's grander plan. Some have tried to decide where I must stay or I should go. This is my country too, and I'll plant my seeds and grow. Hawks don't sing and some birds don't fly, nor do they envy one another or care to wonder why. People need to stop and maybe think about that twice. And let birds be birds, and let sleeping dogs lie. It's the thrill seeker in me who needs to take that leap of faith. Knowing life is much too short to play it straight or just go straight. And I won't hide away or fret away, nor will I cry. I'm gonna get on that bus and ride, go seek so I may find. Feels real good when
someone asks me where I'm going, that I can point to all four corners and still get to where I'm going. And I don't care how long it takes, or if the sun goes down before I reach. I know my choir will be waiting when I arrive to hear me preach. Larry Saltzman. Hawks don't sing and some birds don't fly. Do they envy one another or care to wonder why? People need to stop and maybe think about that twice, and let